morning and welcome back to my channel. Guys, video 4. I'm very excited because I found these sheets at Target. I've never even heard of this, Jeremiah Brent Home, but I have been looking for a pinstriped sheet set for a while. And the ones that I really like are from like Tekla. Tekla's expensive. So these are affordable, they're really good quality. They're kind of maybe more on the pricey side, but not terrible. To me, they're worth it. The pinstripe is like a brown, a dark brown, or it could even be mistaken as, well, no, I guess I would say it's brown or maybe a burgundy. Anyway, I love it. We're gonna wash these. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start our day today. I already went to the gym. Today was leg day. It was good. I didn't take you with me. I just felt like getting it done. I've just been working in the studio, been doing some flat lays, taking some photos for Instagram and Pinterest and all the things. I'm gonna throw a load in. We're gonna do some laundry. Then we're gonna put these on the bed. Can't wait to show you. And then I'm gonna do some experimenting with paintings. Okay, I am now ready to go do laundry. So I don't have my own washer and dryer. We have a community washer and dryer that everybody in the apartment building uses. So, and it's outside. Anyway, so I've got my bag, got my quarters. Let's go. Also, I'm like almost out of quarters. I'll have enough to put the load in the wash. But then we need to run to the bank to get more quarters. So we're gonna do that as soon as I put this load in. Okay, let's go get quarters. Also, I'd just like to say this puffer jacket I just got the other day at Goodwill. I love it. Silly me. It's Martin Luther King Day and I forgot, and of course the bank is closed, so we have another option, and yeah, let's go to the car wash. Oh gosh, I hate this. Okay, so I got my quarters. As you saw, I just switched the load. Forgot to film. Hey Google, set timer for 54 minutes.
Okay, I've started a timer for 54 minutes.
Great. Okay, so while we wait for the sheets to be done, I purchased Bondi Boost. This is supposed to be the pretty much same thing as the Dyson, but much more affordable. So I'm gonna try it today. I have long, fine hair. We'll see if it'll give me like a blowout. I have to say there's a very big part of me that feels like this is not going to be worth it, and I might send it back, only because I just don't know that a product like this can give me the curls and the staying power that I would want with how much this cost. I do have it on heat. You can have it where it's no heat or heat. But I put in a protector, like a leave-in heat protector. I might be. I stand corrected. It actually looks really nice. Such a good blowout. Wow. And I'm so excited to use all the other tools. It's all in one. Like, this is a blow dryer. I ran out of time and I had to go to work, but I did get the sheets washed. So now we're gonna put them on the bed. Also, I popped this pimple that was so big and had such a big whitehead, and anyway, don't mind it. It's healing over. So now we'll put the new sheets on. I love it. I think it's super cute. It's very subtle. I love stripes, And maybe I'll get one day the Tekla duvet cover that has like the brown, chocolate brown stripes. Anyway. Genuinely trying to figure out the best lighting for this bathroom. I am tired this morning. There we go. I'm just getting ready to go to the gym. Hello and good morning. I'm doing this video a little different than the last video. This is, I guess I would say, can you even see me? A little more realistic. Like the other one, how I would like my mornings to go. The light's all like super soft and, but anyway, let's just be realistic. Like, I can have both. I can be, you know. Anyway, I'm sitting here drinking my hot cup of coffee. It's freezing. It is 29 degrees outside. Ew. I know to some of you that is like nothing. To us Outer Bankers, it's pretty cold. So anyway, we're gonna go to the gym, and today I'm walking, and I'm going to do the highest incline I have ever done, and I'm gonna try to do that for an hour, because I normally will do incline like at 4 or 5, and that is good. But you guys, I haven't really sweat in a very long time doing that, walking. And I really want today, I just feel the need to sweat a lot. And then I think I'm also gonna do the sauna afterwards. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a little synopsis of the day. I love you, bye. When I tell you this is the best breakfast wrap I've ever had. It's gluten-free. It's from my favorite coffee shop, Shore. And it has hash browns, sausage, bacon, pickled onions, eggs, and I said hash browns. And the most amazing sauce, you guys. Oh, I can't. I was craving it so much. I try to not get it all the time because she's pricey. She's worth it. Anyway, today was the day. Back from the gym. It was good. Today I walked on an incline of 10 and a little bit at 12, 3 miles per hour for an hour. And it was really good. I needed it. Sweat like crazy. But then I went and I got the most amazing breakfast burrito at my favorite place. And the calories, fat, all the things. It's not healthy, but it was delicious. I was literally craving it and I couldn't say no. So I went and I got that. I'm home now. I don't know, I'm feeling so unmotivated. Last week I was on a high. I was like, woo! Today I'm like, yeah, I don't really feel like doing much, but I have to. We got to get things done. We have goals. You guys, my hair's crazy. Ignore that. I just need to like get myself going. I need to... What I should have done is I should have made a list yesterday of everything that I wanted to get done. Because today I'm like, I don't know. There's a lot of different things I could do. Help. All right, so we are going to start creating stuff today. I'm just gonna be, I don't know, figuring out what to do. It's gonna be great. I want to practice just a couple of ideas on much smaller canvases to see if it would translate before I use a large canvas to do it. I've done that too many times, you know, and then I feel like I've ruined a big canvas because I hate the way something turns out. So we're gonna practice. That's what we're gonna do. So let's go. And also real quick, I just want to address this big red dot. I had the largest, not the largest, but a very large whitehead pimple that came about. Anyway, I had to pop it. I would like to give my 2 cents on how to care for pimples. Very carefully pierce said head, right? And then very slowly with a couple Q-tips, you get the whitehead out as gently as possible. Then you are going to leave it alone. Or if you need to, clean it with just a little bit of water on the end of a Q-tip, leave it alone. The body is naturally going to release the bodily fluid, liquid, and it's not pus. It just creates a bubble, if you will. You're gonna let that happen. You're gonna let it dry and you're not gonna touch it. And then you're gonna take liquid bandage, okay? You're gonna take liquid bandage and then you're gonna put that on the pimple. You're going to leave it. You're gonna leave it for a couple days because that is going to allow it to heal. And it creates a barrier for any future dirt. Okay, that's all. I'm gonna let this dry, and then I have just a couple more small ones that I'm gonna do something slightly different. So on this one, I decided to sand it first, then put some of the espresso on there, and then I'm gonna do something a little different with these. Okay, so I changed the shirt because the blue, I wasn't feeling it. Black, it just has to be black forever from here on out. My phone's battery is about to die, which is what I record on. So I am gonna take a break, clean the house, and you don't wanna see that because that's boring. Maybe another day when I do like an actual thorough. Let me just show you the 2 pieces that I started and finished. Really like that one. But honestly, in love with this. This is like a dear diary, but you won't be able to see what it says because it's kind of scribble, kind of legible. Only I know what it says. I made some lunch, as you just saw, mackerel and avocado. And then I'm going to eat them with my protein chips. This is the Buffalo Ranch. So good. Also, I'm just gonna be living in this coat for the foreseeable future because it is so cute and it's so warm and it's so cold. outside, that it's cold in my apartment, just in case you were wondering. So I have some emails to tend to. So good. Crazy. I need a pedicure. So that's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna get a pedicure because I've been thinking about it literally all day, kind of like that breakfast sausage wrap. My feet are in dire need of some TLC and I don't feel like doing it myself. So let's go get a pedicure. And I did some emails, I booked a few jobs. I'm trying to do this just content creation in general. I'm a content creator and I'm an artist, but I also love beauty and I love skincare, stuff, fashion. So anyway, we're making that work. I am navigating and figuring all of that out. So I signed a contract and I couldn't get myself to go back in the studio. Sometimes I get overwhelmed or I get nervous, especially when I'm starting pieces for clients, you know, because I don't want to mess it up. This is the hair situation and I just have it in like a little clip. Okay, let's go. I'm taking this phone with me because it's fully charged now. And I'm wearing my flip-flops even though it is cold outside, and I will not be showing you my toes until they're done. And I'm like, should we just call these like normal car chats? Car ketchup chats? Hold on, I need... Oh, what is that? Okay, let's discuss the lunch. It was delicious. First time I've ever tried that. So mackerel, avocado, half an avocado. I mashed that up together. And then I did the Quest protein gluten-free chips in the buffalo. I'm not even a buffalo fan. I think I love them. I think I like buffalo now. And that was amazing. I feel full and satiated. Of course, I feel extremely full and satiated from the breakfast burrito. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Woohoo! And of course I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna get a Starbucks and a little sweet treat on the way to my pedicure because why not? Also, something I've never done is gotten gel on my toes. I normally just get regular nail polish, but I think I'm gonna get gel this time. So now I'm just nervous about what color that I'm gonna get. I don't know, I want it to be classic. I want it to look really nice for a while because gel stays on, especially on your toes. So I need to Pinterest some ideas because I'm a classic girl. I don't like super colorful, all over the place kind of stuff. So we'll see about that. But you know, I'm gonna take this out because I keep hearing people say it's not safe to wear this in case you get rear-ended. So true.
Starbucks will get you today.
I have a mobile order for Jill.
I got you right here. You can pull up for me.
Thank you. There's nothing better than a hot decaf latte on a cold day. I love it. And they say we're supposed to get snow this weekend, like Saturday. Either snow or ice. It could very well be ice. This is my little sweet treat. I really haven't had a whole lot of, well, I've had carbs, but nothing sweet. So I'm gonna have this with my decaf almond milk latte. This is where I go. They're amazing. Can't recommend them enough. These are the feet. I don't love my toes, so that's it.